Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to install the latest version of Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system, as well as we'll see how to run the HTML code on the Visual Studio. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for Visual Studio Code and hit enter. Then you will get the official website, that is code.visualstudio.com. So click on this link. Now here we have option download for Windows. Click on that. So it will start automatically downloading. If it is not started, you can click on this link and just download it. So let's wait till download complete. So we have completed the download. Now let's install it. For that, open this exe file. Now here click on the I agree, I accept the agreement, then click on next. Now here we have the different options like create the desktop icon and others. So these three will select, that is create a desktop icon, add to the path, that is environment variable path will automatically add, and the third one is register code as editor for support files type. Then click on the next and click on install. So it will preparing to install. So let's wait till installation complete. Now we have completed the installation. Now let's open it. So you can see the desktop icon as well created. Now let's open it. So click on finish. So it is opening. Now here we have to install the extension. The name of extension is live server. So let's first close all the files. Now here we have the extension tab. Just click on this tab and search for live extension. Live server, you can search live server. So this is the extension which we need to install. So click on this install button. So it will start installing. So we have installed the live server. Now what we have to do, just let's create one folder. For that, go to file and just create a new text file. So we'll select language as HTML. Now let's type our code. So it will show you HTML. Now the head tab. Now we have to give the body tab, and in body we'll print something. So we'll give header as a H1, and then we'll print hello and welcome to my channel. And we'll just close the H1 tab. Now we have to save this. Before that, we have to close the body tab. So now we have to save the code. For that, go to files and click on save as. And now we'll create one desktop folder on desktop. So let's create, giving name as a VS codes. So just create one folder. I created as VS code, and now here we have to save our file. So we have to save with the .html extension, and we'll give one name, first code VS, and with the .html extension, please save it. Now we have to run this code. For that, we have the run option. Go to run and click on run without debugging. You can debug and then you can run, but I'm just doing run without debugging. And here we have to select the browser from where we need to run the HTML code. So we have Chrome, Edge, and other options. We'll go with the Chrome. So select this, and you can see we have printed hello and welcome to my channel, and the browser is open. So in this way you can install the Visual Studio Code in Windows 11 operating system, and you can run the HTML code in it.